So in this tutorial, we will talk about how we can create auto links so that you provide a bunch of keywords and a target URL. It will go and find the juiciest anchor text, and it will create the links for you automatically. You define the rules, and it will keep working, keep building links, as you add new posts, as it finds new articles to link to. So CrawlSpider provides a very flexible spintax-like mechanism for providing keywords. Let us see one example. Let's assume that we want to target two keywords, and the keyword is dashboard and report. I want to make sure that it's not just using one particular keyword. I always want to look out for a combination of dashboard and report. And I don't care for the sequence if the report comes before dashboard or the dashboard comes before report. It doesn't matter. All I care for is I want these two words in the entire anchor text. And, the anchor text need not be limited to two keywords. It can be as long as I define in my rule. So let us understand this. I have created this syntax, dashboard, and the plus sign and a report. So keyword 1, keyword 2, separated by plus. Keyword 1 and keyword 2 separate by a plus sign. Simple, right? So what it tells to the engine is find me all the anchor text that has this keyword and that keyword in the same sentence. Once the rule is executed, these are the possible matches that it will find from your pages. You see, this particular combination will match. Build quick reports and dashboard. You see how it is plural both side, and the reports is coming before dashboard. And there is also a stop word in between. It doesn't matter, here it's a reporting dashboard, and over here it is reporting dashboards. So one is plural, the other is not, and it's part of a bigger anchor text. Kind of a long tail keyword phrase. And over here, reporting comes in the front, and there are multiple keywords in between. And then the word dashboard. Here it is, report/dashboard. So all of these will, be marked as a hit against this keyword. Similarly, let's say I want to target the same target URL using report plus builder. So I gave the keywords. The sequence of the keywords does not matter. You can simply call whatever keyword you want and the second keyword, and as you can have as many keywords you want, and it will work, accordingly, very easy to follow. This report plus builder will match against report builder. Report builder build in front custom and reports, build custom reports. Now you can provide them as separate rules for easy tracking, or you can combine them using an OR operator. You can say dashboard plus report or report plus builder. The target URL is this. This is the premise of it. You can, and let's say if you wanted, right? So you can say I want to match, either add dashboard or a report. So if you create a single word target key phrase, this will also work. In this case it will match all of these. If you just provide keyword as dashboard, wherever it finds dashboard, it will match. Single word keywords will probably find more matches for you. So now let's jump back. Now let's try defining the auto-link role for it. Now the very first thing we need to do is we need to add an entry of the target URL in the list of URL stack. What we do is we click on add, we copy paste or type it in and say simply add. The reason you have to add it, because this is a complete repository of all the links that you want to see in one place. And this also leverages the crawler to test the validity of the link. Now that we see that the link is added here, it will be added instantly. It says, not scanned. That's fine. Let's continue adding the auto link. Click on the auto link to tab, and we'll click on the add button, and we will look up the URL. We'll pick this entry. As we discussed in our Excel spreadsheet, what we did is we simply mentioned dashboard, a plus sign followed by report. It doesn't matter if you leave any white space between the keywords. The rule engine will take care of any white space. Just provide dashboard plus report. I need a minimum 2 keyword anchor text. Let's say I want to match for either dashboard or report, then I simply replace the plus sign with a pipe character. Even in this case, I want to make sure that it's a long tail key phrase. And if I want to provide an exclusion keywords, any negative keywords, I can provide it. And what I'm trying to say here is, I need a minimum of 2 words in my anchor text. In the max number of words in my anchor text, I can limit it whatever I want, like 5 words, 10 words, whatever you want. This is a priority setting. It doesn't matter right now, let's just skip it for now. And here you can simply provide group category. For any rules that you define, and as you keep adding more, I just use the domain and group it across all my rules. Multiple URLs from the same domain can be used under one category group. Let us review these entries for defining the auto rule. Everything looks good now. I can click on Add, and now this rule is added. Similarly, I can create another rule for the report, plus build key phrases, or I can simply come here and click on the Edit button and add it with a pipe character. Report plus build. So this will also work. This way, you are defining less rules and you're getting more combinations. But let's say if you want to track and you want to disable one rule later on, it's better to define it as a separate rule. I think it is better to create separate rule. Easy for maintenance. I'll create a new rule and I'll pick the same target URL and I'll just say report plus build, and then I'll keep the remaining as it is. Use the rule category as info captor. Click on Add. I have easily created 2 auto-link rules, and that's all you need. The crawler in the background will keep working and find matches for you. Let's say you want to see some immediate results. You go to Settings and then go to Manual Scan and run Auto Rule. Auto Rule engine is very powerful, and you can use it combination with the link discovery. This is the place where you trigger Auto Rule. It will go and find Run Auto Rule matches. Once you click on this, it will find all the matches for you. Where do you find the auto rule matches? When you go to the Link Discovery tab, this is where you can see all the entries generated by the auto rule engine for you. There are 2 distinct processes that generates link suggestions. One is the Link Discovery process, and the second is the Auto Link Rule engine. The Link Discovery is the process that gets triggered on each article, and it is always trying to match 2 pages for the best link suggestion. Whereas the Auto Rule is the one that you define in the Auto Link section. As the rule is executing, this list will be populated for you, and if it finds a match, you will see them here. The next step is to visit the Link Discovery tab and approve the matches that you see here. If you don't like them, then reject the suggestion. This concludes the AutoLink demo. Hope you enjoyed the demo. Thank you, and have a nice day.